Well, that was surprisingly easy. This MSD gadget is really simple to hook up. It comes with main harness, which is pretty obvious what it plugs into, and this goes to, oopsie, driver's side coils, packs, which is labeled driver, and one that goes to the passenger side one, which is labeled passenger. Also, there's another harness that goes up to the cam sensor in the front on this particular engine, since it's a Gen 4. And then that goes back and wires to here, which this goes to the crank sensor. And this connector goes, boom, and plugs into this side of the MSD. These extra, and that's pretty much it. These extra wires, one's for launch control, one's for boost retard, and this gray one is the tach wire, so you can drive a tachometer with it. And these two wires are the power and the ground to power the MSD. That's it. It all plugs right together. Should be easy. On this engine, there's just one mystery. This is ECT, the coolant temp sensor, which should be in the front of the motor somewhere, but I cannot find the sensor. Or on one of the heads, I don't know. I spent the past 15 minutes looking for it, and I can't find it. But that's no fault of the MSD or the instructions or anything. It's just my own silliness not being able to find my own coolant temp sensor. I know there's one in there somewhere. It has to be one. I found the connector in the original wiring harness, and it was somewhere around this junction here, like before the harness goes down that way. It's like right in here. And there ain't nothing here. There's no sensor anywhere around here. So I don't know. I have to do a little research to figure that one out. But yeah, tomorrow I'll probably redo the carburetor, throw it on there, and we'll see if it fires up.